On this page, you're going to be able to link to lots of different things, all on the topic of the curriculum committee. This first link here is the link to Heather Brown's document. It's the curriculum committee communication. That is a live document constantly getting updated. Just keep in mind the last update here was on 3/3, even though the curriculum committee has met several times since then. Some of these links might end up getting kind of duplicated, but this is the main one that Heather sends out. And then if you click on curriculum committee links by topic, this is going to give you another set of links that Renee was able to go through a bunch of different agendas from the curriculum committee and kind of put them all together. So over here, this is going to be everything on culturally responsive classroom links. This is going to be all your links about just the general process of choosing curricula. This one is going to be ELPS data. This is all the ELA links, and this is all of the math links, just to show you kind of what that looks like. It's basically linking you to another slide in this slide deck. So then you have all of these live links here. And then if you want to link back to the main one, there will be a link over here once I get that done that will bring you back to that main page. I hope this helps you navigate through all of the curriculum committee links and information for today.